Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 8. Today we at Bukit Ayer. Okay, before we start, let's go to introduction. Let's roll it.
My name is Muhammad Haris bin Muhammad Nasir. My matric number 2025-424-144. I'm from SR441.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairul Ibtisam bin Zulkifli. My number matric 2025-483276. I'm from class 241.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Firdaus bin Muhammad Almi. My matric number is 2025-478-444. I'm from class SR241.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Iskandar bin Muhammad Asri. My matric number is 2025-222-944. I'm from class SR241.
My name is Ahmad Nasruddin bin Azam. My matric number is 2025-471-886. I'm from SR241.
Hello guys. We are now at Taman Ekorimba Bukit Ayer. For the entry, we must pay RM2 per person. So we count in 5 person. So total we must pay RM10.
Guys, before we start, we breakfast first.
At the bottom there is a pool divided into 3 parts.
Good morning. Today I would like to explain the step for pitching a tent correctly and safely. First, we have to choose a flat area, open and safe area. Make sure the area is free from the sharp objects such as a stone or branches, and it is not located in a low area where water may collect during rain.
Next, spread the ground sheet on the ground and lay out all the tent equipment, including the poles, pegs and tent fabric to make setup easier.
Then assemble the tent pole according to the instruction. Ensure all the poles are securely connected before raising the tent.
After that, attach the tent fabric to the pole and carefully lift the tent into position. Make sure the tent enters face an appropriate direction, preferably away from the wind. Yes. Okay. Alright, done.
Next, secure the tent by hammering the peg into the ground at an angle. This helps keep the tent stable and prevent it from collapsing.
Finally, check the tank to ensure it's tight, stable and safe for use. In conclusion, proper tent pitching ensure safety and comfort during camping activity. Thank you.
We are already tired and we need some rest in our tent. Let's go!
want to keep the tent. Let's go!
We are hungry now. Let's go barbecue.
Now, we will light a fire to make a barbecue.
Air, ada air. Ya tu.
Nak habis.
So we will take 10 minutes to light the fire.
So now, we will cook Thai Maggi. Let's go.
Awak tu nak buat Maggi nak panas air. Panas air. Maggi dia tu. Dia bagi dah. Apa yang letak air ni? Air dia rasa dekat. Aku buka. Aku masuk. Okey.
Oh, lepas tu jom balik.
So right now, let's open it.
dah ready dan suci.
We are cooking sausage for the barbecue. Now we are very hungry. Stay tuned.
So now we are already done cooked sausage. So let's eat together.
So now we are swimming at the bottom place.
Girl, I got you so high, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me. If it feels alright, wanna drop it low and break me up. No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. Girl, I got you so. Push it back on it, bring it back on it. Give me the thing, become a waffle lock on it. Wine it, wiggle it, set the track on it. 2 more shots, now we in a hot panic. 2 girl and I'm ready for jump on it. True to my word, I'm ready for thump on it. Ready for run on it, ready for dunk on it. Tag team in fire truck, we pump on it. Hands up high, we burning up the sky. We got the dance all crazy, got the club on fire. I like the way you dance, you got me in a trance. My baby, she don't mind.
Second layer.
She's so hot, and I know you like. So come on, push it on me. If it feels alright, wanna drop it low and bring me up. No, she doesn't mind. She doesn't mind. She doesn't mind.
Must have to hiking. First, shirt or jersey. Second, 3/4 or tracksuit. And sock and hiking shoes for your safety.
So we won't go to the top layer, but we must hiking first. So let's go. Hiking. Let's go.
Jaga step band. Pakai kasut.
But now here was rainy. So was rainy.
We need to be careful lah.
Yeah.
Watch your step. Don't rushing. Don't miss your friend.
So cool.
See this? We are here now. This place view park. This place have a block batu kapur. They have fossils, trolley berbentuk talabula. We have many flora and fauna here, like brook kenton, kongkang, kubung, takor kekak merah, ketengkoi. So let's go continue our hiking.
Okay, let's go.
here. And if you can see, the water is little dirty because of the rain.
So we are at top layer right now. So we want go down to the bottom layer. So let's go hiking together.
Let's go! Okay, now we are already finished hiking and we all already tired and we want to go back to UITM.
Let's go!
Let's go, bye bye!